Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's quickly open this. Let me check here. Okay, so let's quickly cut this open. So inside we have sponge packing. Let's quickly check. Okay. Here we have the pouch. So nothing more inside. Let's quickly check what we got in this package. So here we have the collections. The first thing we notice here is this is a, you can see IG Patel signature, 2 rupee open, half open bundle starting from 223 and till 300, I think so. So this is a half open bundle for retail sales. So let it be there. And let's see what we get here. And 1 second. What we have here is 1950. You can see clearly 1950 1 rupee coin. This is very scarce nowadays, kind of rare, in a good condition. So let's check what we get next. So here we have the aluminum paisa coins. Actually these are all year-wise set coins. Like I bought 2 sets, 2 paisa 2 sets and 1 paisa 2 sets. So this is year-wise set coins, you can see. And for this video we have only 3 collections, 2 rupee half open bundle, 1 rupee of 1950 and paisa coins year-wise. So that's all for now guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. Also these are all sooner for sales on our website.